Hula! Hello, Langga Para. Today is your birthday, so I want to greet you a happy birthday. Today, enjoy your day and thank you for the blessing that give to us. Natanggap namin. At salamat sa lahat ng Twin Bell at sa'yo na rin. Hanggang ngayon, walang kupas ang kagandahan. Diba? Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. More blessings to come. And good health. And also to your family. Okay, happy birthday, Langga Para. Happy birthday, Langga Para. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Langga Para. Once again, happy birthday, Langga Para. I wish you all the best and more blessings to come and more birthdays to come. Amping sa kanunay. Pray always and good luck. Saranghin. Mwah! I love you, Langga Para.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hi Ate Farah, happy birthday sa napakaganda kong Ate Farah. Sana maging masaya ang iyong kaarawan mo at sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming blessing ni Lord at lagi kanyang gabayan. I love you Ate Farah, love.
Hi Ma'am Para, happy birthday po. Sana marami pang kaarawan darating sa buhay mo. Sana masaya ka ngayon. Happy birthday.
Ma'am Farah, happy birthday to you. I miss you. I love you, ma'am. Unta, tagan kagataas pa nga tuigan. Oh, I love you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hi, Langga Para, happy birthday. Nadungagan na usab ang imuhang tuig sa imong birthday, pero okay lang kay nagpadayon ang kaanyag kauban sa love life. Stay humble, good health always, love. God bless you. Happy birthday, Langga Para.
Hello, Day Farah. Happy birthday. Wish you a good health. Still beautiful. Happy birthday. God bless you. More birthdays to come, Day. Thank you. Happy birthday, my darling. And many more. Another year has passed. I love you even more. Your eyes I love to kiss. So, you see.
Happy birthday Ate Flor. Ingat po kayo dyan lagi.
Happy birthday, Para. Sana dahil para makitulog mo ang kalipay ang panalangin sa Ginoo. Now, kung magkalipayon ka sa Ginoo mong kinabuhi. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
happy birthday sis para. Happy birthday sis. At salamat din sa pag-unawa sa akin na nakapasok ako sa Katwin Bell sa inyong lahat.
Birthday Langga para. Sana enjoy ka sa birthday mo ngayong araw. And God bless you more. Love you.
Hey, Ma'am Farah. Wishing you a wonderful day in your birthday. God bless you. Love you.
Ay, magandang araw po sa lahat. Yan, ma'am, na isang great na napakagandang babae. Yan, shoutout sa iyo. Happy birthday, Ate Farah Saga. Yan, stay healthy dyan sa labas ng ating bansa. And God bless you always. Ingat ka palagi at maraming salamat po sa iyong suporta.
Hi, Ate Farah. Happy birthday. Wish na ko nga unta taga pagkasabihan taas na kinabuhi og more birthdays to come. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Miss Farah. Happy birthday. Ay, ko na ako mo kansa mo, Miss Farah, mo kanta. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Naot nga sa kanunay, mayo ang imong panglawas o tanan bagtas kinabuhi. Mo lang to, Miss Farah. Happy birthday.
Hello, Day Farah. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Sana marami pang birthday, taon ang dumating sa buhay mo. Stay healthy, stay beautiful. We love you. At love ka namin. Enjoy your special day. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Love you. Happy birthday. Mua, chup, mua.
Happy birthday, kapatid Farah from Dragon Bella. Happy birthday, Farah from Police General Langga Tintin. Happy birthday, Junakis from Maritesan. Happy birthday, Farah from Inahan Charma, the coolest mom named Katwin Bell. Happy birthday, Farah from Kapitan Scorpius. Happy birthday, Farah from Mahinhin, ng Katwin Belanga Bernal. Happy birthday, enjoy your special day.
Yun, magandang araw po, magandang gabi, magandang madaling araw, magandang tanghali, magandang umaga. Kung kailan nyo po mapapanood to, babatiin ko lang po ng happy birthday si Mami Farah, yung isa sa cute namin mga mamis ng Team Twin Bell. Alright, happy birthday po. Sana bigyan pa kayo ng Lord ng 1,700 years na extend your life, no? Bigay sa inyo Lord para marami po kayo mapagkismisan. Mahaba pa ang inyong pagmamarites diyan sa Team Twin Bell. Alright, para po sa mga mamis dyan na makakapunod sa inyo, ayan. Batiin nyo po ng happy birthday si Mami Farah at sana malasing po niya tayong lahat and God bless you all. Happy birthday, Mami Farah. Love you.